Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix setup was unable to create the directory error on Windows 10. So let's begin. So here we are, and if you're receiving this error currently, then I can show you the best solution on how to fix this because I have experienced this in the past. So let's just close this and let's go into the solution. So the first thing that I want you to do is go into your file explorer and go into your main local disk. So in my case, it will be the C drive right here, and you want to create a folder. So right click, new, and folder right here, and you want to name it temp, just like that one right there, and you want to hit enter. But in my case, I have this error right here because I already have my folder right here. So I'm not gonna do it right here, but instead I have it in my local disk C. So let's say this is where you want to go. So you want to open your temp folder in your main local disk. This is just an example for me. I'm in D. So you want to right click on this right here in the temp on the directory right here, and you want to copy the address. And once you have done it, you want to go and right click this PC right here, and you want to go for properties right here. And from here, you want to go into Advanced System Settings right here. Click Advanced System Settings. And from here, you want to click on Environment Variables. And from here, you can see the temp and TMP right here. And from here, you want to edit both of it to the same value. So as you can see, my temp and TMP value is the same because this is the correct one and this is already fixed. But in your case, since you have created a temp folder, then what I want you to do is recap the address, right? So we're gonna paste it right here in the temp and TMP. So select the temp first and click on edit right here and paste the value right here, and you want to click on OK. And same goes for TMP. You want to edit right here and paste the address right here that you have copied earlier, and after that you want to click on OK right here. But in my case, I'll just go for cancel because mine is already fixed, just like that. And after that, you can see that the problem has been solved. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.